Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove sub bookmarks from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and click on the sidebar panel and this is bookmark option. And this is a bookmark and this side sub bookmark and this is also sub bookmark and I'll remove this sub bookmark. I'll make it normal bookmark. Click on this bookmark and select it is drag it up and see this full line and this short line showing here and make it full line and this is see this text now normal bookmark. Also remove this one. I'll make it full bookmark and also drag it up this full line. You have to make it see this short line again see this and also I'll make this bookmark short full line and this one make it full line and see this in this way you can all of this make all of this bookmark normal bookmark. Also you can make it sub bookmark, make it short here go and make it short and see this make it short and see this and also I'll make it short bookmark this one and see this and similar you can remove this make it full line see this full line and this is full line. Yeah, in this way you can make all of these bookmark normal bookmarks and sub bookmarks. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.